Welcome back, guys, to my channel. Today I'm going to share how I made this, I guess you could say, bling wrapped plastic vase. That's what we're going to roll with. But anyway, so I use pretty much three things. I use fluorescent tape, um, the bling wrap, and I use my hot glue. And what I started out by doing, I make sure I always clean the bottle, turn it upside down, let it air dry, get all the little particles out of it. I didn't do anything to the outside because I want everything to adhere. I want the tape to adhere to the bottle, and then I want the bling wrap to basically adhere to the tape. So, as you can see, what I started off by doing is covering it up with this beautiful fluorescent tape. I think I've used it in other tutorials, but the great thing about this tape, it always provides an additional shine to the back of the project. So when you add the bling wrap on top, it basically, complements the shine. So it looks totally different, very vibrant and beautiful. But anyway, so I just continue to cover it up with the tape. While covering it up, I am mindful of all the extra curves to the bottle. So as you can see, I end up having to make some smaller pieces of tape to be able to go around and fit it snugly, because I want to be able to capture those curves when I add the bling wrap. Now I do have two types of bling wrap I use, but they're basically the same. I went to Dollar Tree to get the smaller ones, but then again I said, you know what, when it's time to do the bottom of the vase, I don't want to struggle. um, so I did grab a big roll, but even if I don't use it for this project, I can always use it for later ones. But just FYI. And then I extended the tape all the way to the bottom, that way it won't be as visible, the clear part. But anyway, so I use my hot glue gun, and I use a generous amount to at least get the bottom started. And what I like to do, I used to use like a extra pair of scissors or whatever little tool to kind of pat it down, because I don't want to burn my fingers up. Okay. But anyway, so yeah, that's what I do. And I just take my time and use what I have and go around it. So I did one row, and then I went and did the next row and cut it, and so on and so forth. I will not be running my mouth through this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time.